Making your Crocs fit better, a quick guide.
Welcome to our video about adjusting the fit of your Crocs for optimal comfort. Crocs are known for their comfort and versatility, but sometimes they may not fit perfectly right out of the box. But don't worry, there are a few strategies you can employ to make them fit your feet better. Let's go over them now.
Why is proper fit important?
A good fit is essential for any footwear, including Crocs. If your Crocs are too loose, you might trip or your feet may slide around in the shoe. Conversely, if they're too tight, they may cause discomfort or blisters. So, we want to find that happy medium where your Crocs feel snug but not restrictive.
How can I tighten my Crocs?
So, how can you tighten your Crocs for a better fit? One of the simplest ways is to adjust the heel strap. 1. Move the heel strap forward so that it fits snugly over the top of your foot. 2. Try walking around a bit to see if this adjustment provides a better fit. 3. If your Crocs are still too loose, you may want to consider using an insole or foot padding to take up some of the excess space. Keep in mind, comfort is key. If any adjustments make your Crocs uncomfortable, it's not worth it. You're better off trying a different size or style.
Can I resize my Crocs using heat?
While not recommended by the manufacturer, some people have reported success resizing their Crocs using heat. Here's how to do it. 1. Heat your Crocs gently with a hairdryer until they become flexible. 2. While they're still warm, put them on your feet with a pair of thick socks. 3. Walk around until the Crocs cool and conform to your foot shape. Remember, this method can be risky. Too much heat can damage the crosslite material, causing it to warp or even melt. So, use this method only as a last resort, and be sure to apply heat slowly and evenly. That's it. Hopefully, these tips will help you achieve a better fit for your Crocs. Always remember, your comfort should be the priority. If none of the methods discussed work for you, it might be best to consult with a professional or consider trying a different size or style of Crocs. Thanks for tuning in.